We at Chef Koochooloo are happy to launch our new Chef Ambassador campaign, an exciting way to bring the latest recipes of the global culinary universe into our educational app and lesson program. Here at Chef Koochooloo, we value the health, education, and empowerment of youth worldwide, regardless of race, class, gender, or anything else. We want to cultivate global citizens through healthy, collaborative cooking lessons enriched with STEAM, science, technology, engineering, art, and mathematics. The Chef Ambassador Program is our next step in realizing that mission. The Chef Ambassador Program is an exchange between celebrated chefs around the world and the educational platform of Chef Koochooloo. We use and promote recipes from our chef ambassadors in our cooking lessons, helping parents and children gain a better understanding of eating healthy and delicious. We aim to partner with a chef from each country in the world to keep in line with our vision of promoting recipes and lessons from all around the globe. Recipes would be provided by each chef, making lessons for 6 elementary school grades aged 5 to 11 that will challenge their intellect and cooking skills. Recipes with all-inclusive dietary alternatives such as vegan or gluten-free options are most valued, also in the aim of keeping in line with our all-inclusive app and school lesson platforms. All of this would only take about an hour of the chef's time between now and the end of July. How it works is that we pick, based on the chef's background, which country the chef ambassador's recipe should come from. The chef ambassador then sends us a list of recipes that we can use on the app, in our school lessons, and for our web cooking videos. We turn the recipes into academic lessons aligned with a primary school curriculum. This is especially exciting because these recipes will be entered into our new application, about to launch at the end of July. Here's what we expect from our chef ambassadors. Your agreement to be our chef ambassador for a specific country we are looking for that you align with. A list of 2 to 4 recipes that represent that country and which can be simplified for a child audience. And an announcement on your social media or website that you are part of the program. Feel free to use this logo. There's no money involved in our exchange, merely cross-promotion and information. This is so we keep it simple and transparent. And this is what you would get from us at Chef Koochooloo, an announcement of your involvement and general promotion on our social media and website, as well as inherent promotion from your signature on every recipe we use in our app, lessons, and videos. This will boost your international recognition. A conversion of the recipes you send us into academic lessons, aligned for American primary schools available in both English and Spanish. Your inclusion in our press release coming up in late July. A smart referral link once our app is live, which gives you access to a 10% share from every new subscription. And of course, the knowledge that your contribution is helping parents, teachers, and children getting a better understanding of healthy eating and social justice. With website, social media, and in-app lesson exposure, you'll be the first thing people see when they go to our website, app, and social media. Chef Koochooloo will cross-promote ambassadors' events, appearances, venues, recipes, and causes. With the many followers and subscribers we have on our various social media platforms, you can gain a lot of visibility. Here are some chefs we already work with. As you can see, your input is minimal, but the rewards can be great. We hope you consider joining us in our Chef Ambassador program, bringing international recipes from recognized chefs to the forefront of primary education.